Welcome from Team Coverlay. Today you get to see me install new door panels on this Dodge pickup. So this is how you're going to receive your Coverlay door panel replacements. It's going to have the oversized box. And the first thing you're obviously going to want to do is make sure you received it okay. For these door panels, they're going to be going on a 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, which is our part number 22-82F. These ones are in dark gray. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the box and make sure everything's received okay. So as you can see, it's got the padding on there. It's even packaged on the back, taped down, secured for you. And then you're just gonna be pulling this off slowly as to not break these little fasteners. And then of course you wanna look at the back again. As you can see, it came in really good shape. All the fasteners are intact. And then we look at the front. Everything looks good there too. And as I'm pulling it out, you can see it has our warranty information and the instructions. And make sure you follow those instructions and keep that warranty information. Since these door panels are power locks and windows, our next step is going to be to disconnect your negative cable for your truck battery. Now that we have disconnected the battery, we're ready to remove the door panels. The tools we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and what we call is a panel popper. First we're going to do is remove the screws that are in the panel cup with the Phillips. Make sure you save these screws because you're going to be needing them later. You can just lift it up and it'll pop out. And again, make sure you keep the screws. You can just put them in here and lay them on your seat. And then you're also going to remove this screw right here. And then also keep that one as well. Make sure you keep all 3 screws because you will be needing them again. And we are going to repeat this on the passenger side. Next, you're going to grab your panel popper. Ours is metal, so we're just going to put some cloth over it as to not damage the paint. We're going to start on the bottom. Next, you're going to disconnect your switches, which really you don't have to. You just pop it out, simple as that, and pull it through. And you can just let it hang. And then this one, you're going to just disconnect. It's very simple. Just a little push, it comes right out. Make sure before you install your door panels that your Christmas tree fasteners are pushed all the way down. Now I'm going to reinstall the switches. Now we have the driver's side installed. We're going to go ahead and do the passenger now. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the passenger side. Now we're just gonna go ahead and install the handle cup and put those 3 screws in. Thank you for watching our video. If we could help you out, just give us a call. Our number is 1-800-633-7090.